Okay, can I get a positive score today? It's like 2-2 at the moment. Somerhalder 2253. Play Sicilian again. Hopefully not facing a C3 Sicilian. Alright, let's just check this guy's rating details. Bullet is 1389. He's only played one though. Oh, he's been up to 2339 on this. His other bullet's 1456. Okay, so I'm playing someone in theory who's got no intuition. I bet you it's going to be consistent move times. If we look at this, no, I'm being very cynical. Sorry. No, it's good. It's all good. All these are really. Let's not be too paranoid about it. Okay. 3 minutes is 1842. Okay, I think I'm getting smashed already now with this E5. I've made a slight inaccuracy. Oh dear. So if I take, it takes the queen off, maybe castle's queen. So can I just take? Right, what's going on here? If I just protect that, say E6, I'll probably run into knight E4, king E7. I'll play rook F8 and hope for the best. Okay. Now the pawn is in trouble. Now I'm in trouble. Oh dear. So what about E6 though for knight D5? Is that possible? Oh dear. She's moving quite quickly. Maybe he's just not very good at bullet. Maybe he's just a slow player. But his 2 bullet ratings are a bit dodgy here, considering this rating here. His 3 minutes also a bit dodgy, 1842. And my king's getting torn to shreds now, probably. So hopefully I'm going to keep this diagonal closed. If I take and liberate that bishop, can I play bishop E6 here? He's going to play bishop E7 next. Alright, so bishop E6. Okay, goes on to D6. Great. King D6 is knight A4. So knight A4 is looking pretty strong. I think I can get away with it. Can I? If I just move this, am I losing the exchange by force? Knight C5, maybe king B6. Nope. I think I'm in trouble. I don't think I'm going to survive this. Bishop F5 with a cheapo idea. Rook D6. But I bet you he's not going to walk into that cheapo. I'll be very surprised. Oh, okay. So rook takes D6. Have I got rook takes D6 then? See, I was being so cynical, thinking he was an engine user for his bullet rating, and you can't do that. You can't be that cynical. I think this is a blunder. I think he's blundered. I'm hoping it's a blunder. Nope. Okay, what about bishop H6? There's king D1. But then there's bishop G4. Can I just take that rook and come back? Simplest. Okay, I'll take the rook, come back. Still hope for the best. Okay, am I still getting stuffed? So if I rook here, I don't want to lose that F7 pawn. So how about bishop E6? And if he takes, then there's queen over here. So I'll just play bishop E6 to support F7. I'm hoping. Have I just blundered? Knight e6, queen, king takes, knight g7, rook d8. The knight's kind of trapped on g7. Ouch! Why is this starting to look painful? So he's threatening to win a piece. If I play a check, then rook d8. Because otherwise that pawn's queening. If I play rook d8, knight e6 is winning a piece back. So I have to play rook d8 to try and make sure I don't lose a piece. Now, so check first, then rook d8. But I don't know, this pawn is really a menace. He's threatening then rook e8. There's bishop g5, I don't know. Can I hold on here? Piece up, holding on. 1 minute 23. Don't tell me I've lost connection. Oh no. No, I've still got connection, okay. So 1 minute 23, he's gone somewhere or something. Oh dear. Where has he gone? Why is his clock stopped? I'm definitely still connected to the site. So after this check, his king would move. I play rook d8, but then it's d7 winning. There's bishop g5 against rook e8. So I'm not 100% sure that's the lost position. I am a bishop after all, but this pawn is a massive menace. Your mind with this knight, this huge knight on c5. If knight a6, I just take. Is he coming back? How long do I have to wait here for his clock to move? He's disconnected and forfeited. Right. It'll be interesting to analyse this if I'm actually okay here after this check and rook d8. I'd like to do some analysis on that. That was a shame. But this guy's ratings, I mean, can you believe this? His bullet is so low, 1456, but it's only based on 4 games. His 1 minute is based on 7 games, is 1389. His 3 minute is 1842. But mind you, that is a tougher rating system than the 3 minute. It's a different scale, which confuses things. It seems to be quite difficult sometimes. Anyway, probably best to avoid being totally paranoid about engine users. Spoils online chess, but he had pressure for the pawn, and he walked into a tactical blunder, it seems, which kind of implies that yeah, fair play. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.